Hello. Today we'll be playing doors. Yeah. My brother has a channel. He's in here right now, but he should not be making any noise. He's laughing though. Please go check out his channel. It's Aussie Legacy. Big O, capital O, capital L. He does gaming videos like me. And today, that's his Roblox account. Today we'll be playing doors. What's that? Not first time. I played it before, but I haven't made it very far. So, and I'm playing by myself this time. The sound will be on because there's this monster that I need. I'll turn it on a bit. That I need to hear that goes. Psst. Osha just hit me on the head. That's Osha, by the way. That's my brother. So we got. I said not to talk. Don't just talk, then I said don't talk. Can I? The hotel, sure. 3-1, 3-1, 3-1. Yeah! So, don't go in. I'm broke in this game. I have 87 points.
Just like real life.
Oh, Shad! I said not to talk. Well, that Shad's doing a great job not talking, isn't he?
Drop a like in the comments, guys.
In the comments! I said drop a like in the comments. But very nice animated music. Can I? Stop it! Oh right. Oh, I didn't realise that. I don't. What? My son just whispered something to me. I have no idea what. He's trying to give me advice, cause first video, you know. I kind of need to talk to you about this so it's not boring, but so far, we just decided to. We were kind of bored, so we decided to make a channel. Hopefully, it will become big, not big, but like hopefully more people will subscribe.
Sizable.
Sizable, yeah. What he said. What's happening? I wonder. I probably will scream in this. I'm just saying, because I don't do well with horror games.
Jump scare warning.
Yeah, I don't do well with horror games at all. I don't like them. Have you guys ever seen this movie called Gremlins? Well, I watched it when I was like, I don't know, what were we? Like 8? 9? We watched it when we were 9. We are now. So do we say our age?
No.
No? Okay. We're not saying our ages. Try and guess what our ages are though. We're now older than 9. And I got traumatized by that film. And it's not even that big of a scary film, to be honest. I just didn't like the whole melting thing. Spoiler, there's little gremlins and they're really small and
There's gremlins with the gremlin film. Oh my god.
And yeah. So I what door is that 9? I watched it and I couldn't sleep for a month. Like I had to actively, I had to count in my head to make me fall asleep. Otherwise I will have nightmares about that. I have never seen this room before. It's very empty. So yeah. What time is it? It is. I can read the clock. What is that? 11 o'clock. Ah, dark room. Why is it so dark? Oh, shut.
Hello. I think I know the answer, but we're probably going to have burger and chips tonight.
Oh, nice.
For dinner. Do you mind having waffles and chicken nuggets?
No, I don't mind. No, I don't mind.
You're undressed.
Yes.
Right, I'm going to put the one out. They'll be about 10 minutes.
You can have to refill.
Guys, my dad just walked in. My dad just walked in and asked if we wanted chicken nuggets or waffles. I was gone to get chicken nuggets because he's in pajamas. He's very sloppy, but I can't say much. I'm sloppy too. But just so you guys know, I don't know if you know this, but I don't mean waffles as in like, oh my god, why is it? As in like sweet waffles for like breakfast. It's, oh my god, potato waffles, you know. With chicken nuggets. That's a classic lunch we have here. Everything in here is torch. Yes, I'm God. Thank God. So yeah, I'm very sorry for that interruption. We didn't realise. He did see this though, hopefully. Well, Ocean's not long, so I don't know. Oh my God, sorry about that, guys. My mouse is kind of like. I can never open these things. Oh, who's that? Hello. Okay. Yeah, just I just walked in randomly, like, whoa. Ah! Where was that? What the frick? What? I was too distracted because Dad just came in. I just got killed by Ross.
It's gonna be pretty easy to get an 8 wing. Then with chicken nuggets and waffles.
Yeah, we could be like 15. We have an older brother, right? And he still has chicken nuggets and waffles. So me and Ocean are twins. We have an older brother. So I have two brothers. They have a brother and a sister. So
Wait for real 400 million likes.
no. I don't think we should do a face reveal anytime soon.
So I'm gonna do a Q&A with Gwen in the first video.
Okay, so
how long do you intend for your videos to be?
long enough?
What about
Maybe first video? Yeah, 10, 12, who knows. I mean, I'd like to hit a lot of subscribers. Yeah, I like to subscribe, guys. This music is amazing. Guys, go to Ocean's channel, but no, it's really not. He does block shoot videos and also other gaming videos. I don't really like games like that. I will probably be posting horror videos like this. No. And other horror videos. I'll have to speed on this because it will get boring. But hopefully I won't die to Rush again. Ocean, shut up, bro. How did you get changed so quickly?
I have my ways.
Okay. Ocean's just magic. Oh my God.
Hibbity dibbity bobbity boo.
Yeah, that's what I can't be bothered to look.
You're going to find a dark room with that guy in it.
Oh my God.
What?
Isn't doors like supposed to be a hotel? But like, oh my God, I have to look for a freaking key. But like, nothing looks like an ordinary hotel. Like, it's not really what a hotel looks like. If you've never been to a hotel doesn't look like this. But I'm pretty sure you guys have been to a hotel, right? Oh my God.
Who's you guys? You're literally talking to no one right now.
Oshan, I'm talking to my viewers. Okay, I'm probably not gonna have very many, but I will have some.
Subscriber's gonna be Dad or something.
No, Dad's not knowing about this.
Why not?
Because I don't want him knowing that we have a channel, mate. No, essentially you're not gonna tell him either.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
Okay, but you better not mention mine.
Why? It's not like he's gonna.
I know, but I don't want. We used to have a channel where we posted with the our friend who's moved. He used to live where we live, and he still posts. His channel's called Cookie. He posts mainly shorts, not long videos.
If you check out the videos from a year or two ago now,
you'll see us.
You'll find our videos.
You'll find what we look like. So, because we won't be doing things in our videos very often. So yeah. Why do I feel like it's gonna come anytime soon? I don't know. That sounded weird. Anyway. Right. Boarded up door and 7. 7. Ah! Why do I feel like he's coming?
He's not.
Is he coming? He
Yeah.
better not be coming. He's coming. I told you. He's coming. Oh, it's very dark now. Luckily, this door is open. Will you stop making that sound? What's wrong?
Yeah.
Do we need a key? Yes. Oh, it's here. Is that the key? Yeah. Okay.
You found the key. Congratulations.
Yeah.
You may now move on.
What door did I make it to last time? I can't remember.
No.
No, I didn't make it to 36.
Like door 10.
Door 10 maybe? Well, I'm past 10 already.
Tell her in the comments before she died the first time.
Yeah.
What door should she make it to?
Oh,
Did she make
freaking
it to?
hell. I hate doors like this. I mean, I hate rooms like this.
Lock the door.
15. That's the day I was born, guys. Oh, paintings. Where's the overload one? These paintings are kind of ugly. Is this the one? Yeah, I mean that one. That one's pretty okay. I don't even know who that is. Yeah. Ah! I hate that sound. The tick tick. No. What time is it? Is it still 11? Damn. Oh! Oh, I thought I was changing. Ah! I'm scared. Is he coming? I don't think he is.
You've been hiding here from reality, just like most people do.
He's coming, he's coming, he's coming. I don't know, I'm dead.
How did you survive that?
How did I survive?
It's because you ran down.
Wait, how did I survive that?
Because you ran down the stairs, you was going on top floor level area
Oh.
place.
I never knew you could do that.
Well, now you do.
That kind of scared me a bit though. I thought I was going to die there. Do I need to go down there? Should I go down there? I mean, funny. Should I? Okay, I'm going down here. Ah! Ah! 22, 20, 19, that's great.
2019.
What door is this? Ah! Doesn't say!
Go into room 23, room 23.
No, it's not. There wasn't even a room 23, mate. Why are all the doors fixed? What? What? Oh, I'm gonna get
Got
jump
one
scared. I'm gonna get jump scared. Wait, which door was it? Oh, fit.
Just go straight ahead.
No, I don't trust it.
Why not?
No. I feel like I don't think
It
it's
was low
19.
20s.
I don't. Yeah.
So 24, 23, probably one
No.
of those two.
No, there was no 24, 23. There was 22, 19, or
22.
20. I
Go
know
on
it's not
20
20.
It's 22, it's 22, trust me.
No, it's not 22.
Yes, it is.
It's not 22.
Trust me, trust me. Just go
Would
in
it be
22.
19? I feel like I've done 19 though.
It's 22.
Why do I feel like I should go 19?
Could you have?
I
It's
swear
22.
to God,
then.
if I get freaking jump scared, I'm gonna die.
It's 22.
It's not 22. I'm looking away. Hello? I knew it. Frick.
Go
I
on.
swear to God, if it's 22, I'm gonna actually die. Or should I swear to God, if you kill me? Why do I feel like it's 20? I'm going to 20.
It's 22.
It's okay. I'm trusting you, but
Yes.
I shouldn't. Never trust your siblings, guys.
Oops.
Never trust your siblings, guys. Never. I knew it was freaking 20. Never trust your siblings. No, because they kill you.
You're not dead, are you?
Well, they almost get. Right, I'm keeping an eye on the door. 22. Oh, fair. This is great, isn't it? This is where psst comes in. Where the frick did that come from? 24.
Why are you saying frick so much?
Because I can't.
Fair enough.
Oh,
No one's coming.
you never know.
Well, nothing's coming.
You never know.
I do know.
I'm a no.
Now something's coming.
Yeah. Ah. Oh no!
Seriously.
I knew that was coming. Ugh. Well, yeah, it seems you haven't told us. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed that video.
Gwen sucks at those.
I hope maybe I'll play again. If you want another part, just tell me. And yeah, bye guys. Bye. Make sure to subscribe.
Enjoy your day.
Bye. Bye. I kind of want to end it on 14 exactly. So.